Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC and welcome to the second part of the construction of trigonometrical functions by using calculus. So let's get started. So for that guys, we need to define another function. So recalling the past video, we found that the unit circle that is defined by the -1 and 1 with y greater or equal to 0, we have this unit circle, and every point from here is of the form x square root of 1 minus x squared. So guys, for that I need to find a function that defines me the area that is between the axis x and the line between these points, the 0 and this point of the graph, and the graph of the unit circle. So I need to find this area. So for that guys, we need to recall basic geometry. So for that we have this. We need to recall this area, but if we so for that guys, we need to put here, and this number is x because it's the first number that it enters on this order pair, and the height of this triangle is this number. So this area, as you can see, the area of the triangle that we define here equals x, the base, times the square root of 1 minus x squared divided by 2. This is the area. So for that, I found this area. So we have to find the other one. So the other one, this is the area 1, and the area 2. The area 2 equals, we need to use the integral. So it is from x to 1 of square root of 1 minus t squared dt. So the area or the function that defines me the area, it would be adding this and this. So area 1 plus area 2. So is that true? Well, we need to define. We found that this situation is true because it's between 0, x, and 1. E.g. these numbers. So is it true for the other one? -1 less or equal to x less or equal to 0. So we need to find the other case. So for that guys, for example, if you have the opposite, so this is a minus x square root of 1 minus x squared. So for that guys, we have that the base equals minus x. So the area of this triangle, so the area that now I want to find is this area. So for that guys, we need to find this area and subtracting this. So, as you can see, the area of this triangle would be negative because x now is negative. So it is minus x, because it's negative, times square root of 1 minus x squared divided by 2. And the second area would be all of these, the area that I want to find, plus this area. So the area 2 is the integral from x to 1 square root of 1 minus t squared dt. So in this case, guys, this area, the second one, is larger. So by subtracting this area of the triangle, we have the green one. So as you can see, it is true, our function is defined well. So as you can see, this function is between minus 1 and 1 when x is in these values. So we have that a of x equals x squared, x times square root of 1 minus x squared divided by 2 plus the integral of x from 1 of square root of 1 minus 2 squared dt. So in this case, guys, this function is well defined and we need to use it because it is essential and important to define sine of x and cosine of x for values between x from 0 and pi. So that's why, guys, we need to define the first one, pi, and this function. So I hope you guys to see you in my next videos, because we finally are going to do the video that our subscriber tell us to do. So subscribe to this channel, guys, MateABC English, and I hope you guys to see you in my next videos. Bye!